the final whistle blows.
¡Vamos! ¡Vamos!
Sunday Night Soccer returns with the Florida Derby, two of the highest scoring teams in Major League Soccer. Both Leagues Cup quarterfinalists meet for Sunshine State supremacy in the return to regular season play.
Vamos, nothing better, boys. Nothing better than compete, and especially in these instances where we feel that we gotta prove that we can be that team all day. And then we're going to do it one more time. Vamos a darle otra vez. Aquí nadie está cansado porque somos un grupo fuerte, trabajador. We're good. We need the spirit, we need the group. I need that energy. Vamos arriba. ¡Energía, carajo! ¡Energía! 1, 2, 3.
From the tunnel they come in Orlando, one of the best rivalries in Major League Soccer. It's young, but it's intense. The Florida Derby, Orlando City, and Inter Miami on Sunday Night Soccer. Muriel gets it back and he's in! Oh, what a goal! What a start! Luis Muriel picks up where he left off in Leagues Cup. Orlando City rips Miami apart 2 minutes in, and they lead 1-0. Ojeda settles. Ojeda saved by Ustari. Orlando want more in a game that has all the intensity that you would expect and want from two in-state rivals. 1-1, Inter Miami and Orlando City. A fun, intense, fantastic 45 minutes in Florida.
Miami's got to answer the intensity from the first 45 of Orlando City.
They go short. Oh, Muriel could turn, and he does, and Muriel! Oh, what a goal again! Filthy from Luis Muriel! He's found his scoring form again, and Orlando City are back in front in the Florida Derby. Ojeda, near post, sneaks in! His turn now, his time now! The wonderful season for Martin Ojeda continues in Orlando. Oh, he's trying to chip Gillespie! Suarez! Oh, Pedro Gillespie! What a phenomenal save! Lynch. Oh, this time it's in! And now surely Florida is indeed purple. 4-1 Orlando City. And what will be a famous for Orlando City, who have taken down